If your downloaded files are ending up in the wrong folder or you simply want a more organized setup, you can easily change the download location in Zen Browser. In this video, I'll show you how to change the download folder in Zen Browser step by step. Let's get started. First, open Zen Browser on your computer. Now click the three-dot menu in the top corner of the browser window. This can be top left or top right based on your layout. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, open the General section. Here you will find the Downloads area. You might need to scroll down a lot. Look for the option called Save Files to or Download Location. Click Browse or Change next to it. A File Explorer window will open. Now choose the folder where you want your downloads to be saved. You can select an existing folder or create a new one specifically for downloads, documents, or media files. Once you confirm your selection, Zen Browser will automatically start saving all future downloads to this new location. If you can't find the option immediately, there is a faster method. You can use the search bar inside Settings and simply type Downloads. This will take you directly to the correct section without needing to scroll. From there, you can change the download location in the same way. You've successfully changed the download location in Zen Browser. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more browser customization guides, tech tutorials, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.